Namaste. On Tuesday, I have taught a new pose, a new balancing pose for everyone. So I'm going to show the video here and you get to learn it. If you have missed the class or if you want to practice it again, it's called the dancer pose. 我星期二嘅時候咧就教咗同學仔一個新嘅平衡姿勢啦，叫做跳舞者 dancer pose。如果你嗰日唔得閒上唔到堂唔緊要，或者如果你想繼續自己練習咧，我而家呢條片可以幫到你嘅。Let's make an easy version， 我哋做一個簡單啲嘅 version， 因為嗰日我教大家嘅時候咧，冇用燈，但係我都 recommend 大家揾啲嘢 support 下自己嘅。So let's find something that you can support on, either a wall, be next to a wall or some kind of table, or even you have a chair in front of you. This is probably ideal. 呢個可能係最好嘅方式。將凳咧一半擺喺個席上面，一半擺喺地下。Have your chair front legs on the ground and the back two on the mat, so it won't slide so much. Or if you think, because my mat is very sticky, so I can put my chair here completely and it's fine. 因為我呢張席好絕嘅，咁我成張凳擺喺度都冇所謂。咁如果你可能啲席線線地嘅咧，你或者可以咁樣一半啦。Preparation 準備嘅 pose， feet hip width distance apart， 雙腳係大概喺我哋嘅 hip 位，喺個屁股位咁闊嘅啫。放鬆膊頭 relax the shoulders. As we do the tree pose or eagle pose 咧，好似我哋平時做呢個樹式同埋麻鷹式咧，將啲重量放埋身嘅一邊。So put your weight to one side of the body. Let's say we're going to do the right leg this time. I'm going to put the weight to the left side. 所以我而家咧會將所有重量咧就放咗我左邊，個重心去喺左邊。The left knee can slightly bend. 你可以輕輕屈住個左膝。千祈 remember do not hyperextend it. 千祈唔好將嗰個膝頭咧向咗後面屈，唔好用太多力向後面，我哋輕輕向前屈。Just slightly bend it forward. This is going to give you a lot of stability and balance. 呢個可以俾好多力同埋平衡你去支持呢個姿勢嘅。Once you're ready， 準備咗好之後咧，提高隻右腳 ，lift the right foot. You can always use a chair. Let's put the hands on the back of the chair. 我哋而家不如將雙手咧放喺嗰個凳柄後面先。企穩咗先，企到自己係好穩陣，嗱，輕輕綁住。Like make sure you're really steady. Always have the hand on the back of the chair as a support. Now we're going to bring the right heel up as if we want to reach it to the hips. 我哋而家將個右腳踭咧提高啦，好似想將個腳踭吊住掂到屁股咁樣樣嘅。And bring the knee right next to the other leg.other knee， 我哋將隻右膝咧向後，好喺我哋嘅左膝隔離咁樣樣嘅，企直個人 ，stand straight. If your left leg is feeling tired， 左腳覺得攰咧 ，bend it even more， 再將佢屈多少少。Now reach the right hand, grab hold of the back of the foot or the ankle。我哋而家將隻右手咧揸住啲腳趾或者揸住腳眼，揾一個自己舒服嘅。And keep the body forward， 將個身體係記住向前，唔好側埋一邊 ，OK？Because you're gonna hurt the knees if you do this。你可以整傷個另外隻腳個膝頭喎。如果我哋夾硬扭嘅時候 ，always use the chair to help you support。記得用張凳去支持自己，唔夠力啊，好攰啊，扶一扶佢，但係唔好成個人墜晒落去。Do not collapse or put all the weight onto the chair though. We're just using the chair to help as a balancing support, okay? Right shoulder bringing back, right elbow kind of bending backwards. 我哋見到我而家個背脊嗰個右邊膊頭個同埋手踭咧係向咗後嘅。As we ready 準備嘅時候啦 ，inhale 一路吸氣 ，kick the right leg back， 將隻右腳咧向後踢 ，making sure this knee is not flaring outward, keeping it inward so your body is straight. 記住我哋個右膝提高隻腳嘅時候咧，個右膝唔好向咗出面， 唔好個人係咁樣，我哋嘅身體向前嘅，所以個膝頭咧係向入嘅，最好咧 keep it around hip width distance， 係同個屁股係差唔多個闊度嘅啫，或者係一邊 ，OK？Use this chair， 用呢張凳去幫你平衡。Once you steady, then you can try to reach the left arm up。企穩咗啦，先至提高隻右手。然後下一個呼氣咧 ，next exhale， you try to lean forward， 慢慢向前 ，and always keep the knee inward。將個右膝咧一定係 keep 住入邊嘅，一唔穩陣就扶住。Anytime you need support, use the chair. Then when you're ready, slowly reach the arm up and try to kick the right leg back up a bit。咁啊，再嘗試下將嗰隻右腳再踢後少少，你個手臂咧就拉到好直嘅。出翻嚟咧 ，when we're gonna come out, use the chair。出翻嚟嘅時候咧，揾隻手揸住張凳，企翻直個人先 ，stand straight and release the knee， 跟住放鬆，跟住鬆下。So just now it took a long time, so your left leg is gonna be very tired。我哋先頭用咗好多時間，因為我去解釋啦，所以咧你隻左腳會覺得好攰嘅。但係當我哋真係做呢個 pose 嘅時候咧 ，if we're really into this pose, we don't take that long。You know, so it's just a few steps of preparation。淨係好簡單幾個support 嘅姿勢嘅啫。I'm going to do it this side this time。我哋今次用右腳，重心 weight on the right support， bend the left knee， grab hold of the ankle and kick。 Nice and steady, body facing forward. When you're ready, reach the arm up and come forward. At any time, use the chair to support.And then come back up. If you need to support, release and out。 就係咁快嘅啫，其實。所以自己試下，再多次。I'm gonna do it one more time on the other side。 重心 to the left， weight to the left， use the hand to support， 用隻手揸住張凳。Bend the right knee， 屈右膝 ，grab hold of the right foot， 揸住右腳 ，body facing forward。When you're ready, kick the right foot back。 準備好將隻右腳踢後，企好咗啦 ，steady left arm up， 左手上。Exhale 呼氣 ，coming forward， 向前傾。Inhale 吸氣 ，come back up， 企翻上嚟 ，and then release。 This is called the dancer pose. Hope you enjoy it.Be careful, okay? Remember your knees. Do not flare them out. 記得啲膝頭咧唔好向咗出去，唔好咬咗出去。個身千祈 don't turn the body sideways. Always keeping the body straight. Enjoy!